We have been eating a lot of meat lately in pretty much every meal we've had because tacos mostly include meat here in Mexico. But there are some tacos that are meatless, however, they're not very vegan friendly. And today we're going to make some of those. I'm going to make rajas con crema, which is essentially poblano peppers, cream or crema. In Mexico, it would be like their version of sour cream, some corn kernels, onions, and garlic. So here we go. First, we start by roasting the poblanos. So right now I'm roasting the peppers. Here in Mexico we have a gas stove, which is really nice. So all I've done is just put the poblano peppers right on top of the burner. A lot of people in North America don't have gas stoves. You might have an electric stove instead. In that case, what you're going to do is you're going to put your broiler on high. You're going to put your poblano peppers on a baking sheet, and you're going to roast them, keep an eye on them, just for a little bit of time until the skins get nice and black. You want the skin to be blackened because that way you're going to be able to slide the skin off really easy when they're done. So you're going to know that the peppers are ready when they're completely blackened all the way around. Don't be too worried about burning them because we are actually going to be removing the skins. Blackening them makes it easier to remove the skins. So you're looking for a pepper that is completely blackened on all sides, including the top. And then when we're done, we're going to put them underneath a bit of a cloth so that we can steam them and the skins will peel off super easy. So now that the rajas are ready, we are going to let them steam for a little bit. You can do this a couple ways. I have this pot at my disposal, so I put my rajas in my pot. I'm going to put a clean tea towel in there with them just to kind of keep that moisture in, and then I'm going to cover them. Alternatively, you can just wrap them in paper towel or a nice clean tea towel, and we're going to leave them for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just so that they get nice and steamy and it'll be easy to take the skin off. In the meantime, we're going to start cutting up the rest of our vegetables so that by the time the rajas are ready, we'll have everything ready to go for the pan. If you find the peppers are difficult to peel, keep them wrapped until they've cooled completely. The steam will help lift the skin from the peppers, and the roasted peppers will be soft, sweet, and completely cooked once the skins are removed. Rajas are typically served cut into long, thin strips. So remove as many seeds as you can, slice them lengthwise, and add them to your fully cooked onions, corn, and garlic. So we have all our ingredients ready to go. We've got some onions and some garlic already chopped up. We were doing that while we were steaming the peppers. So we're getting ready to just start cooking, which is a good thing because Braden is getting really hungry right now. So we've got the pan nice and hot. We're going to toss the onions in. We want them to get nice and soft. We want them to be the same sort of consistency as the peppers. So we're just going to let them fry up for a little bit, saute them. When they're getting nice and soft, we'll add the garlic. I'm going to add just a little bit of chicken stock. It's just your little bouillon cubes. In Mexico, they use chicken stock a lot for different things, including for salting their food. So instead of putting the whole cube in, because that would be really salty, I've broken it up into quarters, and I'm just going to put a quarter in. and just kind of taste it as I go. If I need to add more, I can always add more. If you have homemade chicken stock on hand, even better, you can add just a little bit of a splash just to kind of give your rajas con crema a little bit of richness and flavor.
In Canada, it's really hard to find crema in the grocery store. My workaround is mixing sour cream with heavy 35% cream. Start with half and half and add more cream as needed. You want your crema to be thick but liquidy and to be more creamy and sweet than sour.
In 20 minutes, we have dinner ready. These are really simple tacos. Again, ingredients you can find in the grocery store, and really all it is just a little bit of work, and you have beautiful tacos on your table in less than half an hour. They're really good.
Voy a